Good evening, Rutgers. Weather Watcher Lenny Mendola here with your Monday, February 5th, 2018 evening forecast. Let's get right into it. For today, we had a high temperature of 40 degrees, right at that average high temperature for this time of year. Running a couple degrees above average for that low temperature at 26. However, nowhere near that record low temperature of -8 degrees set back in 1918, or that record high temperature of 66 degrees set back in 1991. Moving on to the headlines across New Jersey for the next couple of days, we can expect a slightly below average to average week, with temperatures generally in the mid-30s to low 40s. We do have a system on Wednesday with snow changing to rainfall. We're not really sure how much snowfall is going to occur yet. However, we are certain about the changeover to rainfall. And then our next system potential is for this upcoming weekend. It's currently looking like a rainfall. However, for weather, 5 days is a long time out, so still plenty of time for that to change. Now moving on to the low temperatures across New Jersey for tonight. You can expect a low temperature of 20 degrees in East Brunswick and Toms River, 22 degrees in Millville, and 26 degrees down in Wildwood. Now zooming out to the northeast, you can see colder temperatures in the interior, 11 degrees in Mount Pocono, 20 degrees once again in East Brunswick, 27 degrees in New York City, and only 7 degrees all the way up in Oneonta. Now moving on to the 3-hour satellite loop and radar imagery, you can see we do have a little bit of a storm system out to our west right now. This should bring the potential for some light snowfall across the Ohio Valley and interior northeast. However, by the time the system does reach us, it should essentially dry up any precipitation and nothing should fall besides a few flurries. And our current system for Wednesday is currently all the way out in the Texas Panhandle and up in Colorado at this time. And moving on to the futurecast, there's that little cold front that's currently located in the Ohio Valley, bringing some light snowfall for your Tuesday at 6 a.m. hour. Some clouds do increase for Wednesday. You can see that snowfall occurring around your 9 a.m. wake-up hour Wednesday. Essentially, we are still a little uncertain about how much cold air infiltrates the region. So wherever the high-pressure system is located off to our northwest or off to our northeast will determine how much snowfall we initially have. But what we are certain about is that this changeover will occur, and that rainfall occurring for your Wednesday afternoon hour, with clearing occurring during the day on Thursday, maybe even some lake-effect snow showers up in the Great Lakes for Thursday afternoon. Moving on to the look ahead for the overnight, you can expect temperatures once again at 20 degrees with increasing cloud cover and calm winds. And for tomorrow morning around your wake-up hour, 25 degrees with increasing winds from the southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour and mostly cloudy conditions. Now, as I step off your 7-day forecast, you can see those seasonable to slightly below normal temperatures for early next week. We do have some cloud cover once again tomorrow of temperature around 40 degrees. Snow once again on Wednesday changing to rainfall during the afternoon at high temperature of 42 degrees. Temperatures around 33 and 36 degrees for Thursday and Friday. And then once again, that storm system potential on Sunday. Still a little uncertain whether it'll be rainfall or snowfall, but at this current time, we'll go with rainfall. So high temperature of 47 as well for that day. Now moving on you can always check us out at RUTV channel 23.1 every 15 minutes. You can like us on Facebook at facebook.com/RUWeatherWatcher. You can always follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW, use the hashtag RUWeather. Or you can always check our website out at weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm Weather Watcher Lenny Mendola. Have a great night, Rutgers.